From Karachi, Brigadier Javed Hussain. From Delhi, Harsimrat Kaur Badal of the Shiromani Akali Dal. From Karachi, Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao. From Delhi, Meenakshi Lekhi of the BJP. From Islamabad, Muhammad Siddiqui Al Farooq, spokesperson of the PMLN. From Delhi, General G.D. Bakshi. From Islamabad, Brigadier Samson Simon Sharaf, Central Secretary Defence of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Islam. And from Delhi, Maroof Raza. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's open the debate. They say it's a scuffle, Meenakshi Lekhi. A statement issued, Meenakshi Lekhi, by the Pakistan Foreign Office says it's a scuffle. Isn't that totally laughable? That he died in a scuffle?
It is laughable. It is laughable because this is the second murder happening in Pakistani jail in 3 months period, within a period of 3 months. And we have seen how they have treated our POWs in 1999 and how we treated their POWs in 70s. And then there have been issues with decapitation of our soldiers in the previous times. We have seen how they have been causing ISIs functioning in various modules in India. We know exactly how they function, and we know how the jihadi minds work. It's an insult to Islam, the way this country is going.
Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao, 6 prisoners enter his cell and he's systematically killed. How is this a scuffle, sir?
Well, Mr. Goswami, let's not forget we are living in an area where such things are not uncommon in jails. Your films are full of such incidents that to get one prisoner killed, another person is sent inside, number one. It happens in America, it happens in Europe.
It doesn't happen in India, it may be commonplace in
people
Pakistan.
Have all this while been saying that it is a very unfortunate incident that has happened. It shouldn't have happened to begin with. We are very sorry as far as the incident is concerned. But look at the language, Indian media is using, Pak butchers and this
and that. Of course, butchers.
For one incident, you want one nation pitched against the other nation. Keep the proportions in sight, please.
Sir, I'd like to ask you, I'd like to ask one of your fellow panelists in Pakistan, for example, since you take offense to the use of the word butchery. Now, let me tell you this, sir. As per the preliminary report prepared by the Deputy IGP Prisons, a man called Malik Mubashir, the accused assaulters had, and I quote, sharpened spoons to use as knives, made long and terrifying blades from pieces of empty ghee tin, and systematically collected bricks to attack Sarabjit with, hit him so hard, so many times that he had a broken skull. Now I'm asking you this, sir. If this is not butchery, can you tell me what is butchery? Tell me.
No.
Air Marshal.
At individual level,
tell
yes.
Me, Air Marshal, is this butchery
individual
or
level,
not?
it is not acceptable.
Is it butchery?
But
is it butchery?
You are using the name of my nation as Pak butchers and
yes.
Pak.
Yes, because because he was butchered in a Pakistani jail under your
correct.
Can I speak to him?
I say one. I'll get a third point of view. I'll come back to you, Meenakshi Lekhi. Our guest from Pakistan in Islamabad, in Karachi, says today this is not butchery. I'd like to get in at this stage General G.D. Bakshi. If this is not butchery, I don't know what butchery is, but General Bakshi, what would you say to Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao?
Pakistan has never used such language for what Indians have been doing earlier in the past.
This is butchery.
I'm not comparing the
This is
butchery.
You do it, you don't speak
at national level, we don't exchange such
one at a time.
Say.
One at a time. General Bakshi.
Right. May I point out a very important point was made by the Air Marshal of putting the thing in perspective and not blowing it out of scale. May I just put the perspective right for you, Air Marshal? Number one, Pakistani ISI's interference in the Punjab started in 1980. 20,000 plus Indian citizens were killed in the Punjab due to the terrorism sponsored by the ISI, funded, armed, trained, equipped and sent. Then started the proxy war in Jammu and Kashmir. It has lasted for 20 years. 40,000 Indian citizens have been killed there. When we finally contained the problem in Jammu and Kashmir, we built the fence, we broke the back of the terrorist movement there. It was spread to all our through the Lashkar-e-Toiba.
Jail Bakshi, let's go back to the Sarabjit case. Let's go back to the Sarabjit case.
Citizens have been killed. 65,000 Indian citizens killed is perspective. Marshal, it is perspective. That is the perspective you need to remember when you put this isolated incident.
Can you also tell the number of people that were killed by Indian support in 1971 in Bangladesh? What are you talking? Every time there is an incident, you want to go back 15 years, 20 years. We will then stop at Babur, who invaded India in 1527.
I'd like to get Harsimrat Kaur.
For God's sake,
I'd like to get
treat every incident as one incident.
What you converted? Babur ruled in it.
So one second. One second. You know, I'll tell you this. I put a challenge to our guest from Pakistan on the News Hour tonight. 1 second, gentlemen.
Well,
this country
everything should be settled then by the two sides team.
No, Admiral.
I mean, you for every single incident, you want to make your media shout and go back to 1984.
Marshal, am I shouting?
I mean, where will the buck stop then?
Marshal, I am neither shouting nor declaiming nor elocuting. I am simply asking.
The buck will stop.
And I have 10 questions.
To stop.
I have 10 questions. And my questions are on Sarabjit. And I would like our guests in Pakistan, in Islamabad and Karachi to answer my questions on Sarabjit and then answer them as fairly as they can. My question
I can't hear you. Your volume is so low that at this time, I'm finding it difficult to understand.
Well, if I ask you normally, then you say I cannot hear you. That's all right, sir. My question right now is to Harsimrat Kaur Badal.
No, I am not guilty of any such answers that I will avoid a question. I am a student of history. So, I mean, on single incidents,
Harsimrat Kaur Badal would like to speak. She's a member of the Lok Sabha from the Shiromani Akali Dal and she's speaking from Delhi. Harsimrat Kaur Badal, what would you like to ask our guests in Karachi and Islamabad on the Sarabjit case tonight?
I'd just like to ask them that, let's leave the politics and the tutu meme aside. You're objecting to be called butchers. What about us whose person has been butchered? Kindly put yourself in our position and think what our nation and my state and my people are going through. So I think this is a time where if we need to introspect, I think first of all the government of Pakistan needs to at least admit what their people and what their government has done to a prisoner from India and what it has led to the relations between the two countries coming to such an extent that we are having to call each other names. But the sad part is that not only are you calling this murder a mere scuffle, you're not even talking about booking those people under whose connivance and cahoots this whole thing happened. The first thing you should be saying is apologizing for what happened, not saying that how dare you call us butchers. If you behead our jawans, if you butcher one person in January, another person in March, what do you think we're going to say? Are we going to say, oh, very good? We could say very good if you were going to say that yes, this is wrong what's been done and these people are going to be booked. This is what's been done with the superintendent. This is what's going to be done with the murderers. When you do something which receives appreciation, it will. But when you take a stance like how dare you call us this and how dare you call us that, I think it just goes to
why the cover
level
up
of what Pakistan has come to that they cannot even admit.
Why the cover up is my next question. Meenakshi, I'm coming back to you. A solid point made there by Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Ms. Badal, I'll come back to you. Let's extend the debate. Brigadier Samson Simon Sharaf, I hope you can hear me, sir, in our studios in Islamabad. My question to you tonight is, please would you reply to the Honourable Member of Parliament from Punjab, who is asking you today that even after Sarabjit's killing, his butchery, your government is yet to take any action against the Kot Lakhpat jail authorities. Does this not prove that this was institutionalized killing? Brigadier Sharaf.
First of all, Times Now is into theorizing too much in order to ride airways and make the ratings. Shouting at guests, cornering the guests, making them stand as if they are in the
My question may be uncomfortable, but Brigadier Simon Sharaf, I don't need to take lessons
for your information.
No, I don't need to take lessons from you on how I should phrase my questions, Brigadier Sharaf. If you cannot answer my questions, that's all right.
Why don't you listen to me?
Why don't you? Why do you pass judgments and not answer questions? Don't tell me what Times Now needs to do. I'm asking you a question that is being asked.
You keep talking. Once you end, then I will talk.
Well, I have asked you a question, and when you answer my question, I will keep quiet. Answer my question first. Don't dodge my question.
You're supposed to be an editor-in-chief of a newspaper and you do not even know.
I am asking you a question. I am certainly
has been suspended.
Yes, sir. I am the editor-in-chief of an Indian news channel and every Indian is asking you today.
Some of the jail staff has already been suspended.
Every Indian is asking you today, sir.
I hope you know that.
Sir, if you want a platform, you should go to other news channels. This news channel will not ask you questions you
I
want.
hope you.
This
You
channel
have
will
called
not
me. I
ask
have
the
not
questions
requested
you
you to come here.
want. Sir, I am asking you.
In any case, I don't like coming on your talk
Sir,
shows.
do you
at
have an
all,
answer?
Because
You have
you're
no
too
answer.
discourteous.
Do you want?
Yes.
Do you have an answer to my question?
have an
asked
answer.
you a question. What
Yes.
was discourteous about my question? My
You
question
asked-
to you was, why don't you?
You
why
asked a
don't
question.
you? My
you asked a
question was, why
and
have
then
you not
get the
acted
answer
against?
yourself.
I've asked you the question thrice.
For God's sake, let the other person speak.
I've asked you the question thrice.
Listen to me. The relevant jail staff was suspended the same day. Don't you know about it? Don't you read newspapers? There is an inquiry going on. The government of Pakistan has condemned the incident. Every citizen of Pakistan has condemned
Sir,
it.
this
I have
inquiry-
condemned it.
this-
Civil rights organizations have condemned it.
this
because
inquiry-
this is not the treatment which the
This
prisoner deserved.
Sir, this
Whatever
inquiry-
was done was wrong. We've said it.
Sir,
the
this-
government is investigating.
So this inquiry has been rejected by everyone. Most recently by the Asian Center for Human Rights, which says it does not believe that the inquiry conducted by Pakistan and has hence moved the United Nations seeking a credible probe into the extrajudicial killing of Sarabjit. I'm completely aware of it.
This was not an extrajudicial
And the
killing.
superintendent
Please
should have been
don't.
arrested
Please
for abetting the
stop
crime,
coining
not suspended.
adjectives. Please stop.
Mr. Brigadier, are you there? I lost the line with Brigadier Sharaf. The fact of the matter is, and this question goes to Brigadier Javed Hussain. Brigadier Javed Hussain, even Pakistan's Human Rights Commission does not believe that Sarabjit could have died without connivance.
And Arnab, they should have arrested the guy and booked him for.
One second. Brigadier Javed Hussain?
Arnab,
Yes, sir.
from day one, I have taken a position, and I have stated that position a number of times on Times Now, and that position is based on humanitarian grounds. Now, before I restate my position, could I very humbly suggest, do not descend so low to use bad language. Show serenity of mind, some grace. I know, I can understand Sarabjit's
I like
family's
answering.
emotions.
I want you to be
But-
precise. I want you to be very precise.
I want to
Meenakshi,
speak
no,
on
I
your
want you to
behalf.
be precise. First of all, don't be patronizing, sir. I am asking you today, what is the bad language? It is butchery, will be called butchery. It is uncomfortable, but it is butchery. Meenakshi Lekhi wants to
Forget
respond to
about.
you. It is butchery is butchery. I can't call it by any other language.
I just
It may
want to
be-
describe the act. The language is used to describe a particular act. If the act in first place was serene, then serenity would be used. If the act itself was butchery, only butchery can explain what it was all about. And I think even butchery is a softer term. You are jihadis.
Look, no one
Interesting to know what
is.
term they use if they find that serene.
No one in Pakistan
This is how we should
condoning
treat the Pakistanis
what a-
in our jail. You find it so serene? You want us to do that?
Okay, you go ahead. Keep talking.
I'm not talking for the sake of talking, I'm making a point. So don't try to patronize us. We are going to describe the things the way they exist. The action itself was
keep
an
making
action
points.
of butchery, and only butchery can explain that word.
No, my question is on inaction,
Keep-
Brigadier Javed Hussain. My very specific question is on inaction.
Yeah.
Right? On inaction, one of the panelists say that we have taken action. You know, sir, that the jail staff has not been suspended. Only a show cause has been given to 7 officials. Only a show cause to 7 officials. I want you to tell me today, is that action?
If you let me speak,
You have
I
the
don't
floor.
want to be cut off. Okay, let me tell you that the latest is, now as you know, Kot Lakhpat jail comes under the provincial government, the Punjab government. the Punjab Chief Minister, Najam Sethi, has ordered a judicial inquiry. This is the latest, and the earlier inquiry that was conducted by Mubashir has been rejected. So, as I mentioned, I do not know how much time this inquiry will take.
Sir, that
But
now
considering that it's going to be a judicial inquiry, I think positive results. Now,
Sir,
the only thing that Pakistan can do now, and I would very strongly recommend to the government of, at the federal level and at the provincial Punjab government level, is identify the culprits.